Hi, my name is Renée Galvin and I am an author and illustrator, and I am so happy that you are here. We are going to draw Momma Cookie today. This is Momma Cookie, and she is a very simple shape. And you can draw anything if you know those simple shapes, your numbers, and your alphabet. Don't believe me? Let's try. Use your paper and your pencil, and we will draw together. Okay, so to draw Momma Cookie, we are going to make a letter C. But are cookies perfectly round? No, cookies are not perfectly round. They are lumpy and bumpy. So that is what we are going to draw. So we're going to make a letter C that's kind of lumpy and bumpy. We're just moving our pencil a little bit along the way, and we want to make it really close where it's almost touching like a circle, but it's not. Once we get that shape done, we are going to draw a letter U, and then another letter U, and another letter U. And I'm using marker just so that you can see it on the screen, but you should use pencil. That way we can erase. So the next step is a number 6, which is Momma Cookie's curl. And that's in the middle of her forehead. And it's a little curl right here. Once we get her curl done, then we're going to do her eyes. Her eyes are pretty big. Her eyes are pretty big, and they are in the middle of her face. So we're going to do big ovals. And one big oval over here. And inside those ovals, we're going to draw a circle. And a circle. And then a smaller circle. And a circle. And then we're going to color in between. All right, next step are her eyelashes. And they're just letter U's, or really curved lines. And Momma Cookie has 3 on each side. The next thing we do for Momma Cookie is her smile. And that is just a letter U. The next thing we do are her chocolate chips. And cookies, chocolate chip cookies cannot be chocolate chip cookies without the chocolate chips. And if you look at the chocolate chips, they're not circles or squares. They're an organic shape, which means they're kind of just whatever little shape you draw. Some are on the outside of her cookie. Some are on the inside. So we're just going to make little shapes, big ones, small ones. And no 2 cookies are alike. So your cookie will look a little different than my cookie, and that's totally perfect. That's what we want. Once you get that finished, then we are going to do some lines for her arms. We're going to make her waving at you. So I'm going to put this arm up and this arm down, and then some little lines for her legs. Once we finish her arms and her legs, then we're going to do circles for her fingers. And she only has 4 fingers. I'm not sure why, but that's what she has. And then we're going to color them in. Once you get those circles finished, then we're going to do her feet. And now you have finished Momma Cookie. So let's color her in, and we'll come back. All right, let's see those cookies. You did such a good job drawing with me today. I hope you draw along with me some more. There's other videos that you can find on my channel. You can subscribe and follow. See you next time.